Ebushama yoma akwaba enfa mbra Ghana 7 TV GH mesra like, comment, subscribing, then notification on so that anytime you post a video bit say we are usambe kebi. Ebushama enda metina asera medwe ho same say enti on my Ghana no ye koye nima na say ye san yechi. Now menim say obi bia oye patriot and say most of the people are omo pe MPP asem and omo follow MPP politics and so no. Ubisa omo a mbeka kilo say the nation is going backward. Now the nation going backward no enye political statement keke enukre. Enukre. Because enemiti na say na me drink Ghana police. The level to which MPP are buying invest here into Ghana police. Body cams, cameras at junctions that live stream, bikes for police, cars for police, better salaries. All of those things and MPP when we were in power. Now, let me tell you for a fact, whether you like it or not, whether we want it or not, MPP under Akufo-Addo also gave the police service one of the best IGPs that we will ever have. Enye political talk. Look, me and Hano, after election 2028, I was so pissed. And I'm still pissed with the former IGP, Dr. Dampare. Now I was so pissed. Very, 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 very pissed. Me can't down. Because I believe, say, he through a rules be outside a call to the disadvantage of yena power. Yes, because when you say the police is going to be in full charge of the elections, and when the elections are happening, you see NDC for misbehaving, and there's nobody there to call them to order. The police are without guns. But if you put Dampare and our current IGP side by side, I think Dampare is far better. Far better. Because I'm not sure, say, under Dampare, IGP, TikToker, Okanasem, Obianko Siunu as for defamation. Then all of a sudden, police speaks interest about the issue, catches the lady, makes her take a plea without a lawyer, and within the shortest possible time, the lady is sentenced because she took a plea without the presence of her lawyer. We didn't see under Dampare. Dampare, even no matter the kind of external pressures that will have come, I'm not sure say Dampare, but yes, I am my way. It's as if the police has no, leadership. Sorry if I'm sounding some way, but that's how it's beginning to feel. There are serious issues that the police should be worried about. Serious issues. But instead, no. Police prosecutors are more interested in jailing opposition members who are airing their views. They are not holding any weapons, just airing their views. Using the same tactics the people in power right now used. Yeah, we learned it from them. They learned it from people who have more power, as they say. So, and even right now as we are speaking, the same people are more power. Look at the way they are abusing a former vice president and the wife. Go and listen to tapes. The police doesn't care about that. Where is the impartiality of the police? Where is the impartiality of the police service of the Republic of Ghana? We want to know. We want to know. But that's the no.
Ebusuafo ewia nso mechiamo na I think say nneɛma ɛkɔ so nsɛm wɔ ɛkɔ so ɛna mepɛ sɛ mekyerɛ m'adwene kakra ɛfa yɛnua Camilla Alhassan na asɛm yɛ aba yɛn nyinaa yɛ bobo ho yi na mahu sɛ CSOs ne bi ne Ghanafoɔ, in fact Ghanaians in general, I've seen radio presenters or the media also sharing their 2 cents on issues, asking questions and then saying, say, the punishment is too harsh. You see, mention me what questions I'm a person maybe, sir. And me, I think, say, asem na eba ye no, charges are the born, no. I've had a copy of it. And counts near 3 counts. And the 3 counts, no, I think say me no na omugina so district court ni gina so the take ni decision. 3rd count no when you sue because and then the electronic abuse and no can say it's beyond the district court. It has to be contested at the high court. Then it was striking it out. So count 1 offensive conduct conducive to breaches of the peace. Section 207 of the Criminal Offences Act 1960 Act 29. Now, and then I'll say these charges were brought because her viral video, her viral TikTok video contains statements and allegations deemed insulting and highly provocative, carrying the potential to stir public anger, hostility, or breach of the peace against the state. That is count 1. Now, count 2, no, I think it's not so popular. And then will be a count 1. And I think it's no, count 2, no, say publication of false news. Now, and it's only section 208 of the Criminal Offences Act 1960, Act 29, that is Act 29. Now, the allegations in here, also this charge address her fabricating and sharing claims without any factual evidence, specifically that President John Dramani Mahama has performed rituals involving 32 buried cows, and that the state distribution of relief sanitary pads to flood victims was a cover-up for these rituals. So these are the 2 counts of Mujina District Court and they make a pronouncement. Now, you see, my question is, first of all, wanana a make a picky case now and I say the complainant. Who is the complainant? I presume it is the Ghana Police Service, right? Complainants. So it clearly means whatever activities are caused over social media, no Ghana Police Service monitor, and that is right. That is okay. Say anyama coso, and we have our state security service omani was anyama no ho more try say there will be sanity and as on best sanitize in digital spaces. I mean, we applaud them for that. But the question is, you see, we all believe say Ghana Mrano, it is a kind of a new, I will say traveling 25. So, say a banner say a car, I was say sheha. But it seems that is not what we are witnessing. Because say Ghana Police Service in a your mom investigation, make a complaint. Say Yenya Camilla can simbia omususu say etia emra. So was so mutus one more. Me know why you watch TikTok there. Yes, you say and some be brave one man crofwaka afa the opposition. Nana Danko Akufo-Addo, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the NPP as a whole. In fact, insulting. And I would want to believe, say, even Yenya Camilla Crampon, a reaction to this particular one was because of Senyan Crawford, also from the party in opposition, party in government, almost reacted towards our party. And I said the NPP in opposition. And I'm also, yes, also would also react. So I'm asking, say, Ghana Police, yes, Remo, there are videos on this app very insulting, provocative. In fact, demeaning, and similarly publication of false news because in some Crawford account app we so afa yera Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ho afa NPP and Nana Danko Akufo-Addo personalities from the opposition party I believe all those contents are on this app. You can also, cross-check. And then if you want to prosecute, you can act on accordingly. Because look, there are videos on this app will be campus your friend then. In fact, in some degree, Okasa w0rst also. Atemdidie against Samira Baumia, atemdidie against Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, and Crawford make allegations of rape and all that. And Ubia po and Phobia home. Ubia Kananwatum, including the state apparatus. But minim say your such a system via a monitor the opposition party and then the commentators and also the communicators. So mo can be pe system no automatically no track yomo and now say a flag yomo na security apparatus net almost one among there, and it's only on the opposition party. Because let me understand how we wake up every day and this equal platform, equal social media social media is being flooded with abuse and insults against persons like Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo and other people from the opposition party. And nobody even comments about it. We've never for once seen the security, agencies are even acting. Say, so the question is, say a Ghana police and Kasa na yom investigation. Who said Camila Akan, sorry. Etia Emra inti omu tuswana monde. And ye pese Ghana police inso sanso omon scan TikTok. No mon share videos inso etia opposition leaders. Videos etia Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, because Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, as far as I'm concerned, the former vice president and or qualifies as state security bebo no hoban. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, or the former president, and qualifies as state security unless, say, the state security only provides security for and on behalf of the ruling party and the government in power. If that is so, then we will all agree. Nase, and yeah, Ghana police, and Kasa, and your investigation, your findings, no, we take action, and you'll be reporting so they are. And I think say reports now Ghana police about Camila case, and say yantiasiye. In Tomoma yantiasiye say there was a report made against Yenua Camila. But according to our report in it, someone kasa your findings, no more coming to conclusions and some more can. It's yeah. It is a sign that here they are, and yes, they should act as soon as possible because they are equally flooded videos. A denigrating, insultive, and as I attack the personalities and the reputation of your friend the opposition party leaders equally it can be captured under the criminal offenses. Into no yesramo yeme massacre no entwa one side. Yeme massacre entwa left and right. You see, I know ma political persecution and now say political precedents no yakase mo twasa to. Say china say ba that's a security apparatus only protected only when you are in government there. Then one day when power changes, people would also want to take advantage of it. And that is suicidal. That is dangerous. That is a bad precedent. So I am calling on the security authorities, the security agencies, especially Ghana Police Service. If you did a good job with finding, say, yen sister Camila can same be there. And yeah, there are a lot of what Camila can, what app we so, what TikTok. And also quote the opposition party and your leaders. So me patch more act accordingly. And moment manen kwa say, ya wabem kwa na security apparatus ni ye duma na say protect omo wabem. So sanya tia there, then the call and na say and someone omo opposition ye can say a systemic orchestration say mo sorry eti omo mu yusu omino security no to intimidate them no e kam yakọ say ya no kre but yen nyina we gidie we security system nim yen nyina we gidie say it protect the citizens and not the government only. We protect everyone, even foreigners crumple raw my way more. I was say a bomb ho ban. Act accordingly. Ghana police, without due respect. Thank you.